Take the crown from the king of kitchens and make him the jester of kitchens.
I feel a little bit bad because I was like telling Zoe how amazing this sounds, everything, and then all of a sudden, it's just gonna be takeout tonight.
Zoe, do you want to have a romantic date where we're serving hand and foot on Drew and Linda?
It's not happening again because moving beyond the kitchen.
What's next?
Main bedroom suite.
I absolutely need a minimum of 5 weeks.
Why would you need 5 weeks? Because it's just that room with the fax machine.
I'm not telling you what I'm doing.
I can do 5 weeks. I don't care. I'm gonna have mine done sooner than that, but that works.
So that's good. Who do you want to judge?
How about somebody who knows you guys both? Jasmine Roth.
Yeah, I love having her judge us. I mean, she's always chosen me in the past.
Exactly. So.
When it comes to renovating and design, Jasmine Roth literally can do it all. On Help I Wrecked My House, she always has her eye on squeezing the most value out of a space, and as far as judges go, nobody knows the two of us better than she does.
I bought my Oceanside Diamond in the Rough for $1.25 million and gave myself a $500,000 budget for my entire renovation. So far, I've stayed on track with my entrance and living room, as well as my kitchen and dining room. Since I'm down 2 challenges, I'm prepared to loosen up my spending a bit, but I still have to make smart decisions if I'm gonna win this challenge and prove Drew wrong. I don't have a lot of real estate to work with, so I'm knocking down the wall between the 2 small bedrooms to create 1 large main bedroom suite. I'm adding a ton of value by creating a modern masterpiece of a main bathroom with a luxury shower, and right next to that, a custom walk-in closet where neither existed before. In the main bedroom, I'll bring in tons of natural light by adding French doors that walk out to a backyard oasis. Warm wood flooring with contrasting tones all around and sleek furnishings will give off a relaxing spa-like feel and complete my modern cottage aesthetic by the ocean.
All right. Eat your heart out, Drew. This is more than enough room for a beautiful suite.
I bought my hillside house for $850,000 and set aside $600,000 for my renovation. I spent more than I wanted to on my entrance and living room, as well as my kitchen and dining room, but it all paid off because I beat Jonathan both times. For this next challenge, I'm trying something that can guarantee me the win or completely blow up in my face. I'm taking my existing additional dwelling unit, attaching it to the house, and creating 1 massive main bedroom suite. I'll admit it's a risky move, but fortune favors the bold, and when buyers see all the extra square footage, they'll be lining up to make an offer. Assuming the city will come through for us, I plan on attaching our rundown ADU to create a truly magical new wing to the house. A large main bedroom with light hardwood floors, elegant furnishings, and a one-of-a-kind wall mural will set the peaceful tone for the entire space. Just down the hall, I'll create a mesmerizing main bathroom that includes a custom walk-in closet with tons of storage, stately freestanding tub, and book-matched porcelain slabs separating the shower and the water closet. This bathroom will just exude luxury. This won't be cheap, but buyers will drool over all the new square footage, and Jasmine will hand me my 3rd win in a row.
So I've got good news.
Okay.
City said we can keep square footage.
Yes!
I also have bad news. We have to knock the entire structure down.
Oh, is it because it's too close to the perimeter wall?
It's too close to the perimeter wall. This is too narrow of a walkway to current code, so we need to widen it. Plus, in order to get the square footage we're after, we need to pop this wall back, so there's really nothing left to save after that.
My budget is crying right now.
A quick drop in at Jonathan's gave me all the intel I need to beat him. Our concrete has finally arrived, so we can pour the floors and get cracking on our main bedroom suite. One thing I did realize being at Jonathan's, though, is that I'm really far behind in my reno schedule. Luckily, Team Drew knows how to move fast. Framing is going up in record time, which means windows, insulation, and electrical can get us back on track.
Drew may be going big, but I'm going high by raising this ceiling to jaw-dropping heights. It's worth every penny, though, because the added wow factor has put me back on track for this challenge. Turning 2 rooms into one big main bedroom suite was such a great idea. I'm now feeling confident that I'll have the extra space and design choices needed to beat Drew. My tray ceiling is finally complete, and we're adding the new windows for even more natural light. Timber! Ugh.
My main bedroom suite addition is finally starting to look like a main bedroom suite, and I know it's going to be worth all this stress in the end. Drywall is going up, followed by light hardwood that will tie the space into the rest of the house. But bathrooms are where you get some of your biggest return when you sell, so I need to do something extra special with mine. I'm going for a high-end New York vibe in my main bathroom suite. I already have that coming with the tall wrought iron doors, and I'm complementing them with a green tile in a sophisticated pattern to bring some color and flair to the space. But what I'm really excited about is the huge book-matched porcelain slabs going on the walls. They just scream luxury.
In the main bathroom we created from nothing, the herringbone shower tile and elegant flooring will give this room a serene spa-like finish. In the main bedroom, Gus is installing light hardwood that will bring a calming feel to the room, while I prime the tray ceiling that's becoming the main attraction of my bedroom suite.
You know what they sometimes call me? What? Optimus Prime.
And where there was once nothing but an empty spare bedroom, we now have a custom walk-in closet that will add tons of value for buyers. I managed to keep a pretty tight rein on my overall budget so far, but had to literally raise the roof with my tray ceiling and new chandelier to keep up with Drew in this challenge. Adding a new bathroom and French doors are both huge value adds that I had budgeted for, so in the end, I only spent a bit more than I had planned on my main bedroom suite. I know that I have the luxury bedroom that will get me my first win and net me top dollar when I sell.
I gave myself a sizable budget for this challenge, knowing that I was going to attach the old ADU and convert it into my main bedroom suite, but ran into an unforeseen overage when I had to tear it all down and start from scratch. I had always planned to splurge on my main suite bathroom, and even though the custom wrought iron doors increased my costs, I know that I've added tons of value and I have the winning main bedroom suite. It was a stressful process, but definitely worth every penny I went over.
Just getting our steps in, you know,
Right,
that's
right.
how we
Bright
roll.
sunny day. You're also wearing your bright sunny attire.
Yeah.
Are you wearing the power shoulders to intimidate us?
Yes, is it working?
Yes. If you remember, you judged wrong last time.
Oh,
Because you
right,
picked
right.
Drew's.
Oh, water under the bridge. Come on.
Whatever, it's all right.
You are judging our main bedroom suites. What is it you're looking for?
I can't wait to see what you guys did, but resale value. It's got to be special, but also appeal to the masses. May the best man win.
All right.
What? Wait, this is painted? What a way to add some visual interest to a room. I personally love the mural. I don't know that it would be for everybody. And that light fixture, woo! I can't think of a person who would buy this house that wouldn't appreciate a bedroom like this. I wonder how much they spent just to add this little bit on the back of the house. Wow! Woo, look at that tub. Oh, I love the floor too. Book match slab. Woo, whoever did this house went all out. Look at these doors, what is this? Oh, wow. Slab on slab on slab. Gorgeous. Okay, this is what sells a house right here. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. This is a totally different vibe. Like night and day difference. I feel like I'm comparing apples to oranges. This house is modern, it's sleek, it's beautiful. I love the floors. These wide plank, matte finish wood floors are gorgeous. I love how high the ceilings are. This light fixture is stunning. Ooh. And this door to go outside, that's a really nice touch. This bedroom is probably a bit more appealing to the masses. Oh, wow, this is so gorgeous. I love the doors that are painted dark. I love the finishes. I love the mosaic and that they ran it all the way over here. That's cool. I am missing a tub, but it's beautifully done. This is gonna be a really tough decision. Let's start with Hillside, because that's where I went first.
Okay.
I thought it was an interesting choice to get rid of an ADU and put a main suite on the back of this house, because there are a lot of people that look for ADUs, but there's also a lot of people that wouldn't buy that house if it didn't have a main suite. The mural on the wall was a very interesting decision. I mean, it would be an absolute tragedy to paint over it, in my opinion, but you can paint over if you need to. I thought it was awesome. That bathroom was stunning. I'm sure that was expensive, but I do think that it was money well spent.
All right. Lots of detail on the hillside, but let's talk about the ocean side of things.
It was awesome. I liked the size of the bedroom. I loved the contrast. I think that the painted door casings and the painted doors with the lighter color walls was a really nice touch. I loved the vaulted ceiling. I thought it was really pretty. I loved the light fixture. Most of the buyers in this neighborhood would think that that light is very LA and it's very cool. And so I thought that was a really good choice. And I thought that having a door to the outside was a great design decision. You did get rid of a bedroom, which is risky, but at the same time, that as a main suite is gorgeous, and to be able to have that as a selling feature is really important. The bathroom, it was amazing. I loved the finishes. It was luxurious. It was impressive. And I think there's a lot of people that would walk in and be like, this is great, this is lovely. Okay, the winner of the main bedroom suite challenge is the Hillside House.
Why? Why? What is going on here? I've never in my life had these issues. I need
3 in a
therapy.
row. This is 3 in a row for me.
Oh my God.